Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about my hair from Diamond Virgin Hair Company. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. So I would just like to start this video off by saying thank you to Diamond Virgin Hair Company for sending me this hair. Really appreciate it, honestly, I really do. So Diamond Virgin Hair reached out to me via Instagram to try out some of their hair, and I was like, of course, y'all, of course, because you know your girl like hair. I like hair so much. So they actually let me pick out some hair. So let me tell you what I got. I got body wave in the lengths 20, 22, 24, and 26 with I have no idea what length this frontal is. I think the frontal might be a 16 because the frontal is a lot shorter than the rest of the hair. So I'm gonna say it's in the length 16. If it's not, I will put it down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Yes, I got long body wave hair because that's what Andrea likes. Andrea just likes long hair. Andrea likes to look like a mermaid, okay? Like, I give mermaid vibes on the regular, so that's what I wanted. So this is actually a sew-in that I have in right now. It's not a wig, it's a sew-in, so it's like my hair is braided up in the Meek Mill braids and they sewed this bad boy onto my head. I actually got my hair done in Brooklyn. If you guys are interested in the shop where I did get my hair done, I will put her information down below as well, and I will also tag her Instagram so y'all can see that down below in the description box. So please make sure you check that out. Hair is sewn in onto my head, and I actually only used 3 of the 4 bundles that they sent me. They sent me a 20, a 22, a 24, and a 26. I only used the 26, 24, and the 22, and also the frontal. I didn't use the 20-inch bundle. I actually still have it right here. So this is what the hair looks like. I can show you what the hair looks like, you know, unprocessed and everything like that. Not blow dried, not curls or anything. Right now I have some wand curls in my hair. I'll insert some pictures of what my hair looked like right after I got it done. She did a better job curling my hair than I did, so you know, I'm gonna insert some pictures. But this is what the hair looks like. This is how the hair came, and I like the fact this is like very, very small, but like very, very big for me because I get a lot of hair, and a lot of the times it does not tell me how long the hair is or what kind of hair it is or anything, and it really irks me because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing if I don't know the specs of the hair. So it just has their logo on it. It says diamond hair on it, and then it tells you that it's 20 inches. So this is what the hair looks like, and it's super pretty, super bouncy too. Look at this, this is gorgeous. And it's so soft. I'm like running my hands through it right now. And look at that, gorgeous S pattern, like gorgeous body wave. And no shedding. No shedding at all. So this hair smells like fresh weave. And I love the smell of fresh weave so much. I don't really know if I'm going to use this hair. My stylist didn't sew this into my hair because it wasn't necessarily needed because the hair is so full on its own. Like honestly, if she would have put this 4th bundle in, I might be pushing drag queen style. Granted, sometimes I do push the envelope, but this time I chose not to. But the hair is super thick, super full, super fluffy and soft. So this is it. I know it doesn't look like as full because my curls have kind of like died down. I've been filming a lot today. So you know, I've been filming a couple videos today, so the hair doesn't look as full. I want to stand up and show you that how long the hair is on me since I'm 5'8". But like, I'm living the YouTuber life right now and I'm not wearing the appropriate bottoms to match this top. I would normally wear this top with like jeans or something, but that's not what I'm wearing. But whatever, I'm gonna show you guys anyways. But this is how long the hair is. So this is the 26 and it is curled. So it obviously goes past my waist and down to basically the top of my butt, like where my hip is. Okay, and now I'm back to, you know, normal YouTube status right here. So what else would I like to tell you about this hair? So this is the frontal. And my stylist did like a really good job with this frontal. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ooh, what lace sis? What lace? Where is it? I don't know because it's coming out of my scalp. This hair is giving me scalp vibes, okay? It's giving me scalp and it's giving me bad bitch. And that's what I want to give, okay? When I get my hair done, I want to give scalp and I want to give bad bitch. So this hair is super pretty, super nice. Look at this. I need to stop like running my fingers through it because they keep killing my curls. I'm just gonna have to like go back and recurl my hair for the other videos I'm going to film. But honestly, it's not a problem because this hair takes heat very well. This hair takes heat super well, no heat damage whatsoever, and to be honest, I haven't been using a heat protectant. I probably should just to protect the hair, but like, I kinda don't need to. I don't know. I ran out of heat protectant, that's why I haven't been using it, so I'm gonna order some off of Amazon because I'm not gonna go out to the beauty supply store anytime soon. My stylist bleached the knots on this frontal, so y'all can see it, What lace, boo, what lace? I don't know if the hair itself bleaches very well. I assume it would because like it takes heat well, like it straightens well, it curls well, it's soft, and this hair is high quality hair, okay? This hair is high quality. Sorry, I'm just feeling myself right now. I really am just feeling myself. So I'm not really sure if the hair bleaches well. I assume it would, but I'm not 100% sure, so please don't quote me on that because I haven't bleached the hair. All I've done was add heat to it and water and lit, okay? This hair does not shed. Like, I got a little snag like the other day, only because like my hair, I'm not gonna say it was matted. I just had my hair in a bonnet all day and I didn't take it out, I didn't brush it or nothing like that. So like the next day when I was brushing it, there was like a little snag somewhere in the back, but it was like pish posh, honestly. My stylist, when she did my hair, she didn't cut the wefts, so I also think that plays a part in not having any shedding because the wefts aren't cut, so they're not broken, which means there will be less shedding in the first place. If you're not necessarily savvy on weaving techniques, if you just flip your wefts over, it helps prevent your hair from shedding because you will not have cut the weft. You know when you cut the weft, there's always some like fallout of the hair. That doesn't happen if you just flip the weft over when you're sewing it. The only thing that was cut was like the front. Okay, so you see the frontal, it's a lot shorter than obviously the rest of my hair. My stylist did cut it a little bit. This is actually kind of cute. I could do a little short cut too, whatever. That's besides the point. So my stylist did cut the front a little bit more to give it like that layered effect, which I'm feeling. But I'm pretty sure that it was in a 16. What else do I want to tell you about? Customer service. So to be completely honest, I'm not sure if this was a man or a woman who owns Diamond Virgin Hair Company, but I'm gonna put their Instagram down below and their website and all that good stuff down below so you can go ahead and shop with them. They are so sweet. They are so sweet, because we did have a little there was a little shipping issue. I don't know what it was, like the post office was just like not messing with me and did not want me to have this hair, but they were so sweet. They made sure my hair came, they made sure like it was good and up to par. Like, they be posting me on Instagram, so like go check their Instagram out. Also go check my Instagram out too. They are so sweet, they are so nice. I love good customer service. I think they're based in the US. I think it's in Indianapolis. I think so. I don't know, I can't remember because I kind of accidentally threw out the packaging when I got my hair done as well. But it just came in like this box, in like this silver cylinder box. I'll insert a picture so you know what it came, so you know what it looks like. You know, I like my hair to come in like the bags instead because it's easier for me to store it. So since it came in the box, I wasn't planning on keeping the box anyway. I just forgot that I usually like to show you guys the packaging before I throw out the box. It just slipped my mind after I got my hair done. I was just so excited that my hair was done. So the hair is low luster, so low luster is great. So it means like a little like healthy shine. So it looks more natural. I did tell you it is a frontal, so I do believe that the frontal is a 13x4. I kind of wish it was a 13x6 frontal, so I would have 6 inches of parting space, but the 4 looks good too. The 4 looks natural, and honestly I probably would just part my natural hair to right here, so that's cool. I told you I only used 3 bundles solely because I really only needed 3 bundles. So I told you I got 26, 24, and 22 in my hair, in my head, with what I believe is a 16-inch frontal. I'm not 100% sure, but I will put that down in the description box. Right now they're running a sale, so you can get 15% off if you use the code Hurry 15, just letting you know that. They do ship worldwide and the shipping is fast. And they're in Indianapolis, Indiana. That's where they're located, in Indianapolis, Indiana. But I love this hair a lot. Like, it is so pretty. And you know what? Since this is a sew-in, I'm sleeping on this hair. I cannot take this hair off and like put it to the side. Is that my balloon? How did my balloon end up back there? It was right, I just moved it right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to watch this video back and see what was going on. It's a sew-in, so I'm sleeping on this hair. I cannot take this hair off and put it somewhere else like I do with my wigs. I'm literally sleeping on this hair. So this hair is getting the real life wear and tear. It is living life with me. Like, I cannot take this off. When I hop in the shower, it's with me. When I lay down, it's with me. So honestly, for hair that's been, I've had this hair installed for, I did it on Monday. Where'd the balloon go? I installed this hair. I got this hair installed on a Friday. Right now, I got this hair installed on a Friday. Today is Tuesday, I believe. I got this hair installed on a Friday. Today is Tuesday, so it's only been a few days. But I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on this hair, especially since it is a sew-in. So the next couple videos you see, I will most likely be wearing this hair because I paid money to get this hair sewn into my head. I don't necessarily have a choice. So if you guys want to see how this hair is holding up, make sure you watch my next couple of videos. Also check me out on Instagram because I'm going to be rocking this hair for at least a month. At least, probably 2, who knows. But that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. If you guys want to see different types of videos from me, let me know down in the comments. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you don't miss any more videos. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.